Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our next edition of Innovation in a Changing World with your host, me, Mrs. Inman. All right, today is Lesson 2. You need your mentor text, a pencil, and a highlighter. Please grab those items. Our focus today is to be able to identify the main idea and key details of a text. If you turn to page 6, you're going to notice our first story. It's called India's Ingenious Solar Canals. Let's preview that. What can you learn from the title? And maybe some of the text features. The picture, where it is in the country. I think I can learn that we're going to talk about solar canals. Not solar panels, solar canals. In that big country, it says the Indian state of Gujarat is home to over 60 million people. All right, let's get started. We're going to do our first read. You should already be on page 6. If you're not, please turn to page 6 and 7. Circle any difficult or unfamiliar words, but keep in mind you're also looking for the 3 vocabulary words: partnership, generate, and evaporation. Farmers in India rely on thousands of irrigation canals to help them farm. This passage, written in 2015, describes a program designed to preserve these canals while also supplying much needed energy to an entire region. For the thousands of miles of canals in India, evaporation is a major concern. And for many citizens of India, inconsistent power is just a fact of daily life. Enter a new project for the state of Gujarat in India, covering canals with solar panels. Working in partnership with SunEdison India, the Indian government plans to cover the more than 19,000 kilometers or about 11,800 miles of canals in Gujarat with solar panels. For right now, the project is limited to a small pilot project with just 750 meters covered, producing 1 megawatt of energy. But if the project could indeed cover the entire canal, India believes it could produce much, much more power, a tremendous boon to a country still undergoing an energy crunch. The solar panels do more than generate energy. They can also help prevent water from evaporation. If the project is completed, India estimates that 90 million liters of water could be saved from the sun's rays. Said United States Secretary General Ban Ki-moon during an inauguration ceremony for the pilot project earlier this year. I saw more than glittering panels. I saw the future of India and the future of our world. I saw India's bright creativity, ingenuity, and cutting-edge technology. The picture, if you take a look, it says solar cells prevent evaporation by shielding water from the sun's rays. The water increases the efficiency of the solar cells by keeping them cool. If you take a look at page 6, we right away see our word partnership. So make sure that you circle that. Partnership is when 2 or more people work together. Go ahead and write that definition down in your margin. On page 7, generate. Make sure you have highlighted that or circled that. Generate is to produce. So here it talks about generate energy. It's talking about to produce energy. Our last word is evaporation. Now, maybe some of you have heard that word before. It's process of turning from a liquid into a vapor or into a gas. The picture shows a great example of evaporation. All right, let's talk about summarizing. Summarizing You're identifying the main idea and just the key details. You're using this to explain what the text is all about. You're not rewriting the whole thing. You're just summarizing it. Synthesize. Synthesize is to build new ideas and opinions. It helps us to make connections as we read. Okay, so on page 6, take a look at that first paragraph. What is the main idea? What do you think? India, evaporation is a major concern. Inconsistent power, new project. I've highlighted some key details. So, and then what I've written is our main idea for this paragraph is India is starting a project to address concerns about power. This paragraph, let's take a look. I also highlighted working in partnership with Sun Edison India. The Indian government plans to cover the miles of canals with solar panels. It's a small pilot project producing 1 megawatt of energy. Again, highlighting key details. The main idea here is the project about producing energy is being tested. It's just being tested because a small pilot project means that it's just a small section to kick it off to see if it actually is going to work before spending all that money. All right, summarize details from the text. So I have somebody wanted, but, so, then. Somebody is India. What do they want? They're concerned, they want to do a small pilot project. They wanted power and water, or water and power, which it says it's talking about evaporation, so we kind of have to read between the lines there. Evaporation deals with water. But it was evaporating. So they covered the canals with solar panels. Then they could produce energy. All right, synthesize. Now, maybe some of you haven't heard this word before, but synthesize is taking what you know plus the details from the text and creating new ideas. So what do we know? Well, we know that solar panels are used on homes and businesses to produce energy. You've probably seen solar panel fields. Well, we know that this is why people are putting those up. They're used on homes and businesses to produce energy. Our details from the text is that now I know that they can be used in creative ways like solar canals. And so our new idea is solar panels can be used to solve many problems. All right, turn to page 7. It's your turn. How is India's use of solar panels ingenious? As you read, underline key details. Combine this with your own ideas to answer the question. Support your answer with your text evidence. The word ingenious, in case you need to know, it is, how is it smart? It's just an awesome idea. So how is India's use of solar panels awesome, amazing, a great idea? Pause here and go ahead and do that. All right, welcome back. Okay, how is India's use of solar panels ingenious? And I have India's use of solar panels is ingenious because, remember, we're restating the question. Remember our wrap? So how is it? Well, I've highlighted that they can also help prevent water from evaporation. If the project is completed, India estimates at 90 million liters of water. So that's what I put. It's ingenious. India's use of solar panels is ingenious because they prevent evaporation and will save about 90 million liters of water. If you didn't quite have that, make sure you highlight that text evidence and then go ahead and answer the question. All right. We also talked about the main idea here. The main idea is India's use of solar panels will help the world. It says future of India and the future of our world. This could be a huge thing for not just India, the whole world. All right, I can identify the main idea and key details of a text. Are you a 4, a 3, a 2, or a 1? Go ahead and write that up in the corner of your mentor text. Awesome job, and I will see you tomorrow.